Hello and good day, grade 6 students. So, how are you today? So, I hope you're doing great, fine, and good. So, today we will continue our recap all about our previous lesson. So, we will continue our review or a summary all about our previous lesson or the one we tackle, okay, in the last semester or we learn. So, if you remember, we're learning last time the classroom or online class greetings. So, this is here. And next we have English greetings and responses. So we learn this one too. And we learn the WH questions. Okay, so we do a review or a recap about WH questions. And then now we will have the days of the week and months of the year. Okay, so we will have a review for the days of the week, months of the year, demonstrative pronoun, and verb to be, was, and where. So if we can go to that self-introduction, okay, we will go. So right now we will have the days of the week. So without any further discussion, so we will start it. Okay, so please read days of the week and months of the year. So what is days of the week? So days of the week, that is the one you can see or you always see in your calendar and you encounter this word always. Okay, so you can encounter this word always because every day you wake up, you will really need to say this word. Okay, or you must to ask about this word. Same with the months. Okay, so the months, it's have some months that you will encounter for depend on what months we are now. But for the days of the week, you will encounter it every day. So you must to learn what day is it now, or what day is it was yesterday, or what day will be tomorrow. Okay, so let's start. So here at the left side, we have the days of the week, and for the in the right side here, we have the months of the year. Okay, so for the days of the week, we have first the Sunday. So we have seven. So we have the Sunday. Number two, we have the Monday. We have the Tuesday, and then we have the Wednesday, and then we have the Thursday, and we have the Friday, and we have the Saturday. Okay, so this is the 7 days of the week. Okay, so now I'm going to asking you, what day is it today? So what day is it today? So today is, of course, Thursday. So today is Thursday. So next question, what day it was yesterday? So yesterday, what day it was yesterday? So you must do backward, okay? Yesterday is, so from number 5, you must go to number 4. Number 4 is Wednesday. So yesterday is Wednesday. Okay, next, what day will be tomorrow? So from the word will, so this is a future. So, okay, past, present, and future tense. Okay, so what day will be tomorrow? So tomorrow will be Friday. Okay, so you must do forward. Okay, so what day will be tomorrow? Okay, so tomorrow is Friday. So it will be Friday. Okay, next. So we go to the months of the year. So number 1, we have January. Next, we have number 2, we have February. We have March. We have April. We have May. We have June. We have July. We have August. We have September. So right now we are here and October and November. Okay, sorry, here and December. Okay, so I have a question here. So everything will be the months of the year we have 12. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so for the months of the year we have 12 and for the days of the week we have 7. Okay, don't forget. So you can found this one both in the calendar. Okay, calendar. So question, what month is it now? Okay, so what month is it now? Okay, so now is, okay, November. Very good. So now is November. So what month it was last month? So last month was October. Okay, very good. So what month will be next month? So what month will be next month? So next month will be December again. So if you ask about last month, so you must do backward. So from the 11, you must go to the number 10, which is the October. And from if you found or you heard the question will be, so it means that is future. So you must do forward. Okay, so from number 11, you go to the 12, which is December. Okay, so that is the months of the year and days of the week. Okay, so don't forget. Okay, so every time before we start our class, I'm going to ask you this question. What month is it now? Or what day is it today? Okay, so next. So we have here the demonstrative pronoun this, that, these, and those. Okay, so if you remember, we tackled this one too. Okay, this is only a review, okay, of what you learned or I just teach you in the last semester. So here, what are the demonstrative pronouns? So we have here this, okay, that, these, and those, and their definition. Okay, so this is used for referring to something near or we hold. So near. So it means like this. So if you have a cell phone, so you can hold it. So you must use this if it is only one. Okay, so don't forget if it's only one. So singular for singular. And next we have that used for referring to something far or we can't reach. Okay, so it's short, we cannot touch it. Okay, so that is far away. So we cannot touch it. Okay, something, so that is your phone, maybe your bags or your fan or like the television. Okay, so if it's in the ceiling, so or the aircon, so you cannot touch it. So you must use that. Okay, so only one. Again, singular. Okay, next number 3 we have these. Okay, this used to point things. Okay, so here things from the S, things which are near and more than one. Okay, so this is for the two. Okay, so example, two pens. So these are my pen. Okay, so two pen. Okay, so that is these are. Okay, so from the word are, so we use here it for plural. We use it for plural. So we can say we can use this. Okay, how about for those? So use to point more than one things which are not near. Okay, as. Okay, so it means that is far away. So example, cars. Okay, so those are the cars. Okay, so far away the cars. Okay, so you cannot reach it. Maybe you are in the second floor or in the school and you see a lot of cars. So you can say those are the cars. Okay, those are the people. Okay, like that. So here we have some activity you must to answer. Okay, answerable by this, that, this, those. Okay, so I have here some example. The arrow. Okay, you see here the arrow. This is the arrow here. So you must answer this, that, and those. Okay. So here we have the carrots. We have the pillow for the vocabulary, fellows. We have the temples. We have the restaurant. We have the table. We have the books. We have the pen, and we have the cakes. Okay. So number 1, blank this carrot. So what do you think? This, that, this, those. Of course, this. Okay, so number 1 here, this. Okay, so this. Number 2, blank are my pillows. So what do you think? This, that, these, those. So if you see the arrow here, it's near. Okay, same with the number 1. But this one here have a lot of pillows. Okay, that's why we use are. So how about this one here? So you must use these. Okay, this number 3 here. Okay, so number 3, blank are the temples. So if you see here, the arrow is far away. You cannot reach. You cannot touch. So, but the temples is a lot. So we use are here. So what do you think the answer? So you can choose this or those here for the plural. So it's far away. So you must use those. So the number 4. Okay, number 4. Blank is a restaurant. Okay, blank is a restaurant. So this is only one, so restaurant, so we don't have S here. So same with the temple, same with the pillows. So we use here also the singular verb, which is S. So what do you think? What do you think the answer? So you can choose with the this and that. Okay, that, okay, because it's far away. You cannot touch it. Okay, next, number 5. Blank is my table. Okay, so it's far away again. And here the table is only one. And the arrow is far away. And we have here is. Again, see for the singular. Okay, use for the singular. Okay, singular verb. Okay, use for the singular subject. So we use here that. Okay, again, the same answer with number 4, that. Okay, number 6. Our blanks are my books. Okay, so books, it's a lot. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 10 books. So what do you think? So books, it's have a S because it's plural. And we use here are. Okay, if the subject is plural. So what do you think? And it's near. So number 3. Okay, these. Very good. So next, blank is my pen. Okay, one pen only here, and it's near. So what do you think the answer? And we use is, okay, for the singular. Use for the singular subject. So what do you think? Pen. Okay, so here we have the this. Okay, so it's near. So we can touch it. We can reach it, but only one. Number 8. So the last number. Blank are the cakes. Okay, so cakes, you see here, it's far away. The cakes. Cakes. And we have here are, okay, for the plural. So what do you think the answer here? Far away and more than one, and the cakes is a S, so it's more than one, and we have the R, so what do you think? So it's those. Okay, so those. Very good. So number 4 here, so those. So that is our demonstrative pronoun this and that, these and those for the for our review or our recap. Okay, so now let's move on to your verb to be. Okay, so move forward. So verb to be S. Okay, are, was, and were. Okay, so verb to be S, was, and were. So this one here, you can commonly see this word, okay, or verb in a sentence. Okay, so this is one of the most important sentence words in a sentence. Okay, so what are the four verb to be? So we have here is, are, was, and were, and this is their definition. Okay, use, okay, is used for the singular subject in a present situation or action. Okay, so is used for the singular subject in a present, okay, situation or action. And are, okay, number 2, use for the plural subject in a present situation or action. And number 3, we have was. Okay, use for the singular subject in a past or situation or action. So this one is the past, this one is the present. So this one is today, the present. So is in are. Okay, and are is used for the plural, so more than two if you remember, and the singular, so from the word singular, so we are single, okay, only one subject. We're talking for the is. For the are, more than two, more than one. And for the was, we're talking again a singular subject. Okay, so only one subject, but in the past. Okay, so past. So example, so we learned the days of the week. So the past month. Okay, so last month is the October. So yesterday, that is the past. So yesterday is the past. So that yesterday is Wednesday. Okay. So next, number 4, where. So use for the plural subject in a past situation or action. This one here is a plural subject, more than one, but in the past situation or action, we can use the where. Okay, where. So here I have some questions that we need to answer. Okay, so here I have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 here, 6, 7, 8. So 8 questions. So okay, number 1, she, blank, or wansa. So what do you think? She, was, blank, or wansa. See, this is the subject here. So we have the subject here, she. So she is a singular. So we must answer. And we don't have any adverb here or any past time expressions that this is a past. So is. Okay, very good. So is. Number 2, he, blank, in Japan last year. Okay, so from the word last year here. Okay, so the time expressions last year. So what do you think? And the subject is he. So we must to use was. Okay, he was in Japan last year. Number 3, they, blank, friends. Okay, so here friends. Okay, so with us. So this is a lot of friends here. So they are friendship, a lot of friendship. So they. Okay, so what do you think the answer here? So we must answer are. Okay, next, we, blank, young 10 years ago. So again, this is a plural subject, the we, blank, 10 years ago. So 10 years ago, so it means that it's a past ago. So expressions of time in the past, ago. So we were young 10 years ago. Okay? Okay, next, number 5, Natapom, Pam, and I, blank, classmates. So what do you think the answer? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 subject here, including me. So we can convert this to the pronoun we, blank, classmates. So we are classmates. Okay, number 6, I, blank, at the mall last night. Okay, so I, okay, Was. Okay, I was at the mall last night. So exemption to the rule. So we can use was at the I. Okay, I was at the mall last night. Okay, number 7. They blank having fun yesterday. They blank having fun yesterday. So from the word yesterday, expressions of time in the past. But this one here, the subject is plural. So what do you think? They were having fun yesterday. Okay, where? Okay, next, number 8. The student blank tall. Okay, the student blank tall. So here we don't have any expressions of time that this is in the past, and the student is only one without s. So what do you think the answer? Okay, so is. Okay, so the student is tall. Very good. So that is how we answer this one here. So this is our review for the verb to be, is, are, was, and were. So next time we will have the self-introduction and we will have a reading comprehension, okay, to answer, okay, the self-introduction. Okay, so this is the worksheet for your self-introduction. Okay, so for the recap. So I hope you learned something for today class, and thank you so much. Bye.